Hey everybody, got a little lesson by the woodpile here today, and try to put the camera down on an angle so you can see how much dirt's on this thing. But I just cut some wet stuff. It's pretty gnarly looking. It's got some dirt on there. This saw's a couple years old, by the way, and it is overall, you could tell it's kept pretty clean. But I did want to do a video on cleaning your saw properly. A lot of people bring me their saws to work on. Filthy. Do yourself a favor. Do your mechanic a favor, your repairman. Don't take him a dirty saw. It's not cool. It's not cool. Did you hear me? It's not cool to drop a dirty saw off to your repair guy. It's not cool. Your ears will be burning, I can promise you. You shouldn't have a dirty saw. You should keep it clean. Every time you use it, clean it. A little bit of compressed air, wipe it down. I wipe mine down with an oily rag. I spray them with WD-40 or some bar oil on a rag, whatever. I like to put like oily plastics. Little trick I learned years ago from dirt bike racing, when we would pressure wash our bikes off after a race. After they dry, the next day we'd go out and spray a can of WD-40 on them. I don't know why, I don't know what it did, man, but it was so easy to clean. So that's my little secret. A little bit of oil on them plastics keeps them nice. So I have one earplug in. I'm probably screaming at the camera, but I'm gonna put the other earplug in. Got some glasses on here, and they're not safety glasses. They're not ANSI, but look, I'm working on it. I got to be able to see, and my magnifier safety glasses are over in the shop. So you want to use earplugs and glasses and an apron or something if you have it, because you will get you'll get this stuff all over you, man. And believe me, it'll come off everywhere. I hope you can see how dirty that really is. So when you do this, you want to make sure you blow in here in the flywheel area. That's your fan. You want to make sure you get everything away from that, because that's cool. You block that up, the saw's going to overheat. We'll even take this cover off at the end. I put my thumb over any hole that could go inside of that filter, underneath that filter. Put my thumb over it, and then I blow sideways. I don't blow directly in, blow sideways off the top. If you have to, take the filter off and walk someplace else and blow it off. That's the best way, depending on the type of filter you have. This one I can pop right off, so I'll probably do that with this one. But if you can't, blow sideways around the filter. Best thing is take the filter off. But make sure you get up inside, right up inside there, behind your, ideally, you want to take your sprocket cover off. You want to take that off and clean all that. If you're just going to do a quick one, get a blowgun with a nozzle like that, where you can go right inside there. You can put that baby right down inside there and blow all that out. And then I'll blow it from the bottom too. You see up in there, she's looking pretty gnarly in there too. Did I tell you it was not cool to give a saw to your saw guy, your repairman that looks like this? It's not cool. It's really not, I swear. It's not cool. You will not get cool points for turning a dirty saw over to your saw repair guy. So speaking of brownie points, let's get this show on the road, right? Lesson by the woodpile. That's what we're doing, a lesson by the woodpile. Let's clean this thing up, shall we? See what we got here. Hold your ears. The compressor would just kick on. Don't hit any of the hoses or anything too hard, because compressed air is pretty powerful. Definitely want to clean it. I like to just rest it right on the nose of the bar. Don't know if you can see all those chips coming out or not, but there's a lot of them. Scraping everything with a wheel helps that. That's why that rubs off by hand. Obviously this is taking a little longer because I'm talking to the camera and stuff, but literally that's really about all you got to do. We'll take the filter out. Make sure it's clean under there. If you pop that filter and you look in there and you have all kinds of fines in here, you need to check gasket, put some grease around there, something. Check your filter, make sure there's not a hole in it or something like that. You get fines in here, you're asking for trouble. Make sure you don't get fines in there. I'm gonna take this over here to the side. I don't want to blow anything near that, but there she is, nice and clean. We'll put her all back together and she'll be good to go. Any questions, by all means, hit me up in the comments, and like, share, subscribe, and let me know if you like this kind of stuff. Lessons by the Woodpile. Take care.